How to fix Instagram not responding on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not responding on Android or iOS phone. First open settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here battery. Now click Ultra Power 7 mode, enable it, and after that just go back and now restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an iPhone, go to settings, then go to general and then iPhone storage and search for Instagram, then click on it and click offload. And if you have an Android, go to settings, apps, and then apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.